Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this occasion, I want to explain about one of reference managers. It called by Zotero, and especially in this occasion, I want to try explaining my video in English version because one of my overseas friends they request me about explaining in English version. Okay, before. I make a tutorial how to utilize Zotero for our reference manager. I want to explain a little bit definition of Zotero, Mendeley, or EndNote. Uh, all of them are the same function. Okay, they are the tools that help us to manage our resources when we are writing our proposal, when we are writing our dissertation or thesis. Okay. So if you have understand about Mendeley, Zotero, or EndNote, it's it's not difficult to apply. It's easy. It's not a rocket science. Okay. So no worries about it. Okay. The first one, before watching this video, you have to make sure that you have installed Zotero application on your computer. If you are looking for the link of the Zotero master, I have attached the link that you can download in this description of the video. Okay, my previous video I had explained about how to use EndNote. So this occasion I am explaining about Zotero. It's the same function, the same purpose, but maybe your institution requirement is different. Like my institution, uh, they suggest us using EndNote. And my previous institution, when I got my master degree, they advise me to use Zotero. So no worries. You just make sure what type of reference manager that is your institution requirement. Okay, in this video, I just make it specific, just explaining about Zotero. Okay, I want to share my screen. Now, this is Zotero. After you uh, have installed this application, but beside you have success install this application, you have to make sure that you make the extension of Zotero. So, what's the way? Okay, just click the three dot points on your right hand, and then I just make sure that I have shared the screen. Wait a second. Okay, it's good. Okay, click the three dot points on your right hand, top right hand on your computer. Oh my God. Okay, just click and then choose extension and visit Chrome Web Store. Click it. Click Zotero. Click add to your Chrome. Add extension. Oke, ya. Nah, you can see there is like puzzle, I think. Just click and choose Zotero and pin it. Nah, you can see in the top, there are actually I have set some extension on my Chrome. This one read aloud, this one Scopus, EndNote, and this is Zotero. Okay, we back to the Zotero. Okay, there are four ways to import our resources to our Zotero. The first one, insert manually, and I think it's the hardest part, and I don't recommend this way, but I still explain it. Just click this item, new item, and choose what kind of resources that you want to import in your Zotero. Maybe book, maybe journal article, maybe something like that. Okay. Uh, for the example, I choose book. Hmm. You have to type the title, the author, the series, and you have to prepare all of the info of your resources. And it's worth in my opinion, frankly. Okay. Okay, title maybe formative assessment. And then the author, me, maybe. Okay. Don't forget the last name at the first. I forget my name. Okay. Yeah. You have to make the same way. You have to type all of the info of your resource in this form until until that until extra, write, call number, library catalog. Okay, this is the first one. You have to manually type the info of your article or your book. And then the second way, we can import our extend our file that we have on our computer. For example, we have the PDF in our document. So directly I will show the second way. The second way is import directly from your document on your computer. Okay, choose the third icon, add attachment, and then add file. Choose your file, your PDF file. Hmm, article, just open. So you can see on your right hand, the info is automatically inserted by Zotero. Item type, title, author, etc. Okay. Besides that, we can directly drag our files from the document to the Zotero. Okay. No, 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 no. Mm. You can insert the file, more than one file. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I think my husband come home. Okay, I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, you can choose more than one files and then drag to Zotero. Oh, it's yeah. Okay, I want to try again. Okay, drag to sorry. Just select all and then drag to the Zotero. I'm sorry. Maybe you have to split the screen into two parts. Yeah. Okay. It's still processing. You have to wait a second. I think it's doubled because I drag them more than one. Okay, more than one uh attempts. Okay, close. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh no. Okay. Uh the file is already done. Okay, this is the second way. And then the third way, we can import the resource from Scopus. Okay. Just go to the Scopus website and then search your documents. For example, I use the keyword like formative assessment physics secondary school, and I figure out about 19 documents found, and you can tick all of them or select all of them is you think they are relevant with your research, or you select one by one. It's okay. It's just technical ways. Okay, maybe I will tick all of them and then export. Don't forget to choose the file types. The file type is RIS because this format is used for exporting a reference from Scopus or reference to reference manager like Zotero, EndNote, or Mendeley. And then choose whatever do you want to choose. Just just make sure what is your requirement of your institution. Okay, and then export. You can check. The name is Scopus 3. You have to remember Scopus 3. Open your Zotero again, and then we start importing the data from Scopus. Click the file and then import, and make sure where do you want to import from. Because make sure that you choose the first one. RIS, Zotero, RTF, etc. Then next, download Scopus 3. Next. Oh, open. Next. Okay, this one. Okay. Uh, that is the third one. And then the last one, we can import the resource from the PDF, from the website. Okay. You can choose the, okay. Okay. This is the example, the article that I want to download. Just you have to make sure that the PDF is available from the website. Okay, download full PDF and then uh, look at the extension that and the first at the beginning of the video I have showed you how to install the extension of Zotero. The extension is for the last way to import your file to Zotero. Okay, click the Zotero and then got it. Click again the PDF and saving to choose the folder. We can we can include it in our last folder that is Scopus 3 and done. Okay, the title is what is the title? An argument-based approach to validation. Okay, let me check. Yeah, the article is succeed to import. Okay. An argument-based approach to validation. Okay, that's all. The four ways to import our research to Zotero. And then the last one, we have to uh, make it applicable in our thesis proposal. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, just open your file, open your draft or draft proposal. For example, Allah Akbar, assessment is blah blah blah. Okay, okay, okay. We have to make the what is it? Bibliography and uh reference. Okay, just click Zotero and then make sure the document preference. Click. Okay, choose what citation style do you want to use. You have to make sure it is fit or it is uh, appropriate appropriate with your institution requirement. For example, your campus or your journal intention requires you to use American Psychological Association or APA 7th edition. But in general, we use this citizen style. Just click and then click OK. Okay. Um, and then click Add or Edit Citation. After this icon appear, click the arrow and then Classic View and just choose your research file. Maybe assessment issues. For example, this one I will choose. And then about the page, you can insert the page or just ignore it. Click OK. Okay. The citation is automatically added. And then just try one more time. Add edit citation and then classic view and then maybe in my library like assess an impact. Okay. And how about creating the bibliography? It's easy. It's a piece of cake. Just add edit bibliography. So the bibliography is automatically appear. It's too simple. Okay, thank you. I hope it is useful for you. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, wait a minute. Bujuku teko, guys.